It is cool today, but we have a warm weekend in store. Tracy is here with more on that in the First Alert forecast.
Hey, yeah, you know what? The fact that we're thinking about frogs, I mean, how wonderful are we? Okay, still thinking about guacamole, right? I'm thinking about, he didn't talk about what type of jalapenos to put in your guacamole.
I think just jalapenos.
Right? Just you don't, they're not like a certain type?
I don't think so.
Really?
He's right in the other room. I
Michael,
run over and ask him.
You should let us know. Okay, let's talk about your weather and see what's going on. Roma tomatoes, white onions, okay. I'm all over it. Here's a look out toward Sacramento. We're looking at a really nice blue sky out there. It's a little cool today, though. Did you notice the difference? I sure did. Take a look at our 24-hour temperature change. Right now, temperatures in the lower to mid-60s from Sacramento, Stockton, Modesto, and Marysville. Mid-40s coming in for South Lake Tahoe. How about some more of your current conditions across the area? Well, we'll take a look at those as well. From the 60s, as far as your humidity and your wind, take a look at that. Variable winds around 6 miles per hour, humidity at 37%, dew point at 36 with a nice barometer. Now, the barometer should be moving up. We got a high-pressure system that's nudging into the area ever so slightly. Take a look at the 24-hour temperature change. So we are 1 to 2 to 3 to 6, 7 to 9 degrees cooler versus the same time yesterday, back behind a cold front. And we're also looking at some pretty nice winds, especially for areas around the bay. East Bay Hills near Altamont Pass, they had winds around 64 miles per hour earlier today. Those winds are starting to diminish. The wind advisory has been allowed to expire by the National Weather Service, but we do still have some winds in play for parts of the South Lake Tahoe area. And they also we're looking at a lake wind advisory. As far as more winds coming in through parts of the foothills, looking at 7 to 10 mile per hour winds. You add in conditions in the upper 50s to lower 60s for air temperature, and yeah, it's a little chilly outside. Take a look at your satellite and your radar. Still just a few minor showers up there on the northern end of the valley floor, and that's the only locations I'm really concerned about for today. Now I'm going to turn my attention to this. Now this is a weather maker, but will it bring us more rain and snow? Let's take a look. So this is our Futurecast showing just a few minor showers on the northern end of the valley floor. Now we turn our attention to that other weather maker. Now this comes into around 4:50 in the morning on Saturday. As it gets here, it looks like it could give us just a few spotty showers in parts of the upper foothills, and then it gets out of Dodge. Another one coming in Monday looks like it may have a better chance of giving us some widespread showers. And then as we continue to move throughout the week, we could be looking at another system coming in on Thursday. Now that one could hold together as well. So we have a couple different opportunities next week to pick up some more beneficial rain and or snow. Lower 70s coming in for Fairfield for afternoon highs today. Lower 70s also hitting that valley floor. Mid to upper 60s in the foothills with 64 in Auburn, 66 in Jackson, 67 in San Andreas. And how about the upper 40s in Truckee as well as in the South Lake Tahoe area? If you are looking at the Bay Area specifically, mid to upper 60s for Santa Rosa and to Napa, mid 60s into San Jose as well as into Salinas. Alliteration. 7-day forecast. So we got plenty of 70s in the forecast for today, but we are warming up heading into the weekend. Nice weekend and a small chance of showers coming back into the forecast next Monday.
All right, Tracy, thank you very much.